riskiest people ever.
The next station is Barking.
I'm glad this actually goes straight to Barking. I know, but like, I'm talking about street, bro.
Oh yeah.
Skips all these stations.
It's like SL2.
Yeah.
Because like, if it is skip, this will be a bit long.
Yeah. SL2 and C2C are on top, right?
And they're both like kind of newish.
Yeah.
SL2's been here for like a few months now. But I feel like, I just feel like
SL2, the bus is new, but obviously not the company, but I like the new buses. But
The bus is not new. The bus is 2015. They just got the new chargers. That's why it looks like that. Oh, we overtook it.
No,
You mean we overtook it?
our train.
Yeah, overtook it.
Yeah, we overtook our train.
Bye
Yeah,
bye.
okay, now we have.
Yeah, we probably. God, they went fast.
Yeah, it just goes up to 60 miles per hour between these two stations.
East.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Already.
In like 3 minutes.
I don't think the consistency of like the train, like
Yeah.
the frequency.
Yeah, the frequency's not that great.
I'm actually gonna get mad at you, Jason. How come we have not done this before?
Well,
We need to do this more
We should have
often.
done this so sooner, bro. You would have
What
been.
is there any other
The
train
amount of times
stations
you would have been.
that
like,
C2C goes like in London?
I mean, it's quite limited. There's Fenchurch Street. I know it goes to Essex. It goes to Upminster, Ockenden, Grays. No,
Oh, yeah.
Trafford 100 Grays.
South End Central.
So when you do 370, we're taking this from Trafford 100 to Barking, which is about 20 minutes.
But that's. I thought if it was any other train line, it would take an hour. Not an hour.
I'd say 40 minutes.
Yeah, around that.
But we're literally almost there.
We were legit. I was
Oh, look, I
2
see
minutes.
Ilford Tower.
Oh yeah, now we have to go slow.
Why?
Because we're legit almost at Barking.
Okay. Wait, show me the time.
3 minutes.
No. Oh yeah, it's peak 3 minutes. Good down.
It says it takes 5. I don't know. I'd say probably 4.5.
That's Hammersmith and City.
Yeah, we're literally there.
We are now approaching Barking. Please change here for District Line, Hammersmith City Line, and London Overground services to Gospel Oak. And Barking Riverside, if you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British
Okay.
Transport Police on 61016.
I'm with my friends and
We'll
we're gonna
sort
go
it.
get food.
See it, say it, sorted.
Because that's where my friends are going.